here. Welcome back to another video. Today it's kind of an update. Not too much else, but yeah. Let's get into the video. Okay, guys. First of all, I'd like to say I'm sorry for not uploading in a while. And well, the hammer video. I uploaded it thinking I was going to upload a part 2, but I'm not. The reason being, when I went to go edit that video, it hadn't recorded all the video when I was making it. Only like a 10-second clip of something useless. But yeah, instead of showing you that video, instead of showing you the hammer making video, part 2 at least, I'm going to show you how the hammer turned out. It is right here. Here it is. It's the smaller one. Some of my friends got a kick out of the Thor's hammer comment on the bigger brother. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty decent. Not very even in the cracks, crevices, but overall, I think it's a good little beater hammer, I guess you could say. Display hammer. I wouldn't put it up on display, it's not my best work, but yeah, let's get into it. Sorry, before we get into it, yeah, it's kind of cold and outside, it's nighttime. This isn't the proper clothing. It's a t-shirt, just a t-shirt. And I don't know if you can see my breath, but if not, then too bad, you'll have to believe me. But yeah, let's try and change into something else. Well, it's better, but it's not exactly what I'd want. It's a little bit thin. Yeah, let's try one more time. There we go. I like this one a lot better than the other one that's right here. Yeah, I don't like that. Well, yeah. Let's get into it. This time for real, though. Okay, guys, well, yeah, you saw my mini Thor's hammer being made. Actually, correction, not being made, being showed to you after it was done, because I was stupid and didn't record the making of the hammer. But yeah, I think it turned out decent. It's a little bit smaller than I'm used to making, as you can see, or as you saw by my other video. Oh wait, no. The rest of the hammers I made were supposed to be in the second part of the video, but they're not. So yeah, guys, I think it turned out pretty nice right here. Let's get you a close-up. Yeah, you guys got a kick out of this in the last video, so it's a Thor's hammer. I don't know why it got people laughing, but yeah, thanks for watching.